to Ernest Hashim's vlogs. Now, we have been traveling to many places in Bohol last year. And today, we'll also travel to a new place only here in Bohol, a local tourist spot.
Grabe nag ako nagsilas.
Datang ba?
Picture dito sim nga nag Dali dong beri kang picturean dong. Beri Ernest to kamu. Kamu dali. Ya, diri mo agi ba diri mo.
Belum deh.
Ala siya po sige ko dito diyan. Sige na pagbayad. Oh.
The place that we just visited in this vlog is Sikatuna's Mirror of the World and Botanical Garden. According to an article from GMA Integrated News, the Mirror of the World and Botanical Garden is owned by John Ingvar Colstow and his wife Anne, which is a Filipina, wanted to build the park to share with Filipinos the things that they have seen and experienced during their trips abroad without having to travel around the world, and they also built the park to give Bohol a new tourist destination or attraction in addition to the existing ones and to promote the town of Sikatuna. A few examples of the tourist destinations replicated is Brazil's Christ the Redeemer, as well as the New York's Statue of Liberty, Singapore's Merlion, and also France's Eiffel Tower and more. Mirror of the World and Botanical Garden is open for Mondays to Sundays and tickets are sold from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. while the park closes at 10 p.m. The entrance fee are as follows. For daytime, 50 pesos for children below 3 feet, 100 pesos for seniors and PWDs, and it is advised to provide government-issued ID upon buying ticket, and 120 pesos for regular visitors. For nighttime, 50 pesos for children below 3 feet, 130 pesos for seniors and PWDs, and provide government-issued ID upon buying ticket, while 150 pesos is the nighttime fee for those regular and normal visitors. Now, most locals know where it is, and you can rent a car or van from Panglao Airport or Tagbilaran Seaport, and here is the route. You can pause it.
Turag CR di ato ma'am. Ato ta CR na. Na ay sa mo katag ha kay mag. Mali sa tagong.
Kami nasa ba? Saya balik.
Dito ba sige? Kamu duha dali.
Pamit.
Kasi
Ano ba?
mga sulod. Ang lugar. Pwede daghan na to, ma'am. Sige, sige, na lang.
Pwede kang mga ID? Pwede kang mga ID?
Ayun, nice. Sige na kayo. Maaftan pag-uwan, Churi sa ko, gusto ko din natin.
Pero pwede sila mo.
Dari do. Dari ta tunog-tunog eh.
Ha?
Picture ni.
I first captured for the first attraction to be seen is the Eiffel Tower, then the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Aba guys, narak Eiffel Tower guys Eiffel Tower guys. Unda na pagtay Leaning Tower of Pisa o katong Statue of Liberty dila guys. Maning Statue of Liberty daghan lagi mga suryanan sa tibuok kalibutan na ilang giyo sa diri Tuapod guys ag Coliseum ug kanang asapod. Unsa dirag Merlion sa Singapore.
Dari ni dong ni Papa dong dali dong. Ay, sobra na. Balik ka nga sa likod. Yan. Isa pa lapit konti lang.
Ubo Hollywood nga Hollywood sign. Nara Christ the Redeemer.
Ato bang diri dali ko dali.
Niya pod guys. Pero guys, so, ag Big Ben sa United Kingdom. Awa guys, so diarag mga daghan kaadto guys.
Ikaw diha?
Ikuha tong ibabaw, inis ko nga murag sabad. Dali, kuya.
Guys, nanato this Mirror of the World sa sikat to na.
Kay gibang ato po na sila. Pinipakon pa tas pika. Imi. Kusan shed. Nadaw, maday na. Ano ka mong duha? Kagawan sige ka mong tagdios ibabaw.
Kising.
Kainit sa adlaw.
Malait mo Christmas.
Kinabasaan ang di magsundo ko magkalo.
Dong na matong mo palis to.
Mga to na puntas taas kalbitong ibabaw dito guys. Ang to na puntas dito.
Parot.
Wapa. Uy, na picture. Wapa. Kapoy na oy. Oy.
Sila ko yun, pagkakama ng tago. Dito sa Golden Gate.
Then we tried out the Golden Gate Bridge. Mira guys, nalatas Golden Gate Bridge. Awa guys, nalatas Golden Gate Bridge. Nanay pagkaryo semblance sa Golden Gate Bridge guys. Unsa?
Ito ni kang anan. Masih baon.
Flying goose, bird goose mo. Photogenic ito.
Nadyan lechon parot.
Subak kasi yung mayroon.
Oh. Ato ta ba?
Sumusa ka nagpunta dito. Naman ipod sa parot diri pa. Na. Ito na ta. Wag guys, dakog view. Walang time ikanha dirang dapita pero makita diri guys ang Big Ben sa United Kingdom ug kani murag White House siguro ni. May kananan di ay. Natas paglakonan murag ari data.